up guys? My name is Bryan and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you the song called Dati by Jroa featuring Skusta Clee. This is a original Filipino music, so hope you like it. Let's start. Okay guys, let's start. This one, I'm having a hard time to put accountings on it, but let's try anyway. So we go like, cross your leg, going to your right, goes like this. Boom, slow, up, and down. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7. The lyrics says, la, mo pa pa, then pam. After this, you're gonna put your hand to your head and hit, knee, press, step forward, up, and hit it. Okay, one more time. 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 2, 2. Ha. Head, knee, straight, head down, up, and hit. Let's do it faster with the lyrics. 7, la mo pa ba, ta. Nung tayo'y mga bata pa. Then hit. Alright, after this, you're gonna raise your right knee. Go 1, side, and go raise your left, open, side, point up, and down. One more time. So 7, 8. You're gonna go raise your ta, jump. Side, look, and down. From here, you stay like 2 counts, then you go up, cha, side, knee, cross, turn, catch. Then just have 3 beat. You're gonna go down, and close. One more time. Okay, one more time. 6, 7, up. And cha, side, knee, and turn. Bridge, cha, close, ha. Okay, next, from here you're gonna go slow, look, then side, down, and overhead. Take your time, put your hand to your heart, then open, going back. Okay, one more time. So 5, 6, 7, and slide, back, look, side, drop, and overhead. Put your heart, open, and lean to your back. Okay, let's try from the beginning, all of it. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, cha, hop, and forward, knee, reach, and down, stop first, hit, knee, cha, open, to the side, look up, and down, stay, cha, side, knee, and turn, catch, sa, and close. Here we go to the side, to the back, eyes, side, down, and overhead, heart open. Good job. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel and like the video, give a heart, and please don't give up on dancing. Bye bye.